Okay, today I'm going to show you how the burst water flosser actually will help clean, really deep clean, by demonstrating it with my new spa water filters. So these things I did not realize were going to get so dirty so quickly. They basically, like, I've actually cleaned this one a little bit already, but they actually like get this gunk in between. So what we're going to do, and it gets drawn in from in here, so to get it out you almost have to blast from the inside. It's kind of like trying to clean your pockets and your gums. So this is a demo. This is not this is the ortho attachment. There's also the regular attachment. Dogs are going crazy, of course. Where that tip went. I'll show you this regular attachment tip. But basically, that's that. And so I will not be reusing this tip. Obviously, this is an old tip, which I do have braces. But anyway, so we're going to show you this. Kind of like this one because it does have a little brush on the end. But basically, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so we can get a better view of the crevices. So I'm going to zoom in. You can already see what the water flosser has washed out, and I've just rinsed it in the sink before and it doesn't come out like this. So I'm going to go and show you. We have the different settings. I'm going to be doing the high pressure setting here, which is this first setting. This has got a little button with a happy face, but it is very sensitive. So I've hit it a few times and splashed my mirror, but I'm just going to press that. It's better when you start your water flosser out that you know, you want to see what you're pressing. So point the thing to the back, and then when you're going to use it in your mouth, you want the tank to be facing up so it gets more of the water. So this does rotate, but I'm gonna, for purposes of, I don't need to see it. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it like that, pointing it away. So basically, we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna turn it on, and it's just, you're gonna see it. It gets in the crevices, in between. That's why it's called the water flosser. But I'm gonna come in between here. Same with our teeth, hard to reach areas. I don't know if you can see it getting in those crevices, but I'm seeing some stuff coming out in the sink. You can see the color. This is actually out of water, so it's real easy. This is for your mouth and not for a water filter, but you just lift up the little silicone and you just fill it right there. So I'm going to do that. Lift it here and just fill it. Put the tap over there. Okay, you just go straight back. The nice thing about this, it doesn't get brittle. It's not going to break. Okay, you've also got other settings here. You can do you're going to hold down the button and you're going to see it toggle through to this sensitive mode. And I'm probably going to make it, let's see, sensitive, and then massage. So I like the massage mode because it kind of pulses in between. I'll go ahead and show you that. You kind of move tooth to tooth there. But this is, there's a tool online that is actually kind of like a water pick for your filters. And I thought, how am I going to do that? I'm just going to reuse my old tips. So this is pretty good now. I'm going to show you what I got out of these. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do this one a little bit more. I think I'm going to go up to the higher setting. So I'm going to press the button and hold. It's going to toggle up. Now we're to the highest setting. And I am, of course, like I said, this is not for your filter. This tank is pretty small, but for your mouth, you probably have to fill it up a couple of times, but you can see it's super easy to fill up. Okay, so we're going to do that again. Put it down. Where's the dirty one? Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to go inside. See, that's the powerful, going right into that ridge there. It's just like getting in between your teeth. You just shoot it like right between the teeth. You can press the button and stop it. Start it. Press starting. This will conserve water, by the way. If you do this, I've learned that on mine. I have to tilt it up because the tank's getting low. But yeah, stopping and starting it can help. But let me just show you what we got in the sink here. All of that out of my filters. And so now my filters are able to be used again. I'm waiting on for coming to the mail, and they should be here any day. But yeah, this will help. I didn't realize how often you had to clean and change these, but I know now. And I hope you have a good day. If you have any questions about the burst water flosser or any burst products, please just give me a message or a call. I'd love to answer your questions. Thank you and have a good day.